Hello everyone, I am Shivam Kumar from BCA PPU Batch 2. Today I am going to represent evolution of computers given by Raju Upadhyay sir. Thank you sir to giving this opportunity. First, Pascaline. Pascaline is a mechanical calculator invented by Blaise Pascal around 1642. Who is Blaise Pascal? Blaise Pascal was a French mathematician, theologian, and scientist. Next, stepped reckoner. Stepped reckoner was stepped reckoner या Leibniz calculator है, proposing a revolutionary mechanical calculator. Invented by Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz around 1672. Who is Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz? Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz was a co-inventor with Newton's of calculus. Keyboard machines originated in United States around 1880. Punch card. Herman Hollerith invented a punch card around 1880. A punch card is a stiff piece of paper या thin cardboard that was used a long time ago to hold computer programs, computer instructions and program. Difference engine in 1822. The English mathematician Charles Babbage proposing a stream-driven calculating machine the size of room, which he called difference engine. Next, analytic engine. The English mathematician and computer pioneer Charles Babbage designed a fully digital mechanical general purpose computer. Who is Charles Babbage, the father of modern digital computer? He designed a difference engine in 1822 and he designed a fully automatic analytic engine for performing basic arithmetic calculation. Thank you. If anybody has question.
If anybody has question regarding this topic.
Something. No. Okay, thank you, sir.
Anyway, nobody has the topic. I think the concept given by you is very clear to everyone. So thanks a lot to you for giving a very good presentation. But still, you need to improve yourself in communication as well as your pronunciation. Since I think this is the first presentation of your career which you have given, and just your session has started, so it is really a very good beginning. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.